Enhancing skills with a stock market simulator. A young investor named Justin once lived in a world full of exciting opportunities. Justin was intrigued by the mysterious world of the stock market, but he was cautious about investing real money. That's when Justin came upon an excellent tool called a stock market simulator. Discovering the stock market simulator. Embarking on a journey, Justin began an exciting quest to learn about stocks, bonds, and investments without risking any actual money. It was like entering a virtual universe where each decision was a lesson to be taught. Exploring the market. Using the stock market simulator, Justin researched several stocks and industries, ranging from IT huge companies to environmentally conscious businesses. Each exploration revealed new information about how the market moved and what pushed stock pricing. Learning through playful learning. Justin learns by doing, just like while playing a game. Buying low, selling high, and tracking market patterns becomes second nature. The simulator makes difficult financial ideas simple and enjoyable. Risk-free atmosphere. Additionally, Justin made every step in a safe atmosphere. There was no actual money at stake, allowing for unlimited experimenting and learning from failures. Gaining confidence and skills. Confidence boost. Justin's confidence grew as he improved his stock analysis skills and made more informed selections. The once daunting stock market has become a playground for education and potential gains. Understanding market dynamics. Through numerous simulations, Justin learned about the minute details of market dynamics, including how news, trends, and economic factors influenced stock prices. The power of practice makes perfect. Like a musician learning a new song or an athlete improving their form, Justin improved with each practice session. The simulator was the key to accessing a wealth of economic opportunities. Embrace the future real-world application. Armed with newfound information and skills, Justin felt ready to dip his toes into the actual stock market. The simulator teachings served as a good basis for handling the complicated nature of real-world investments. How to win the stock market game. Welcome to the exciting world of stock market games. Winning is more than just making the most money. It's also about developing essential financial skills along the road. Here's how to succeed in the stock market game. 1. Educate yourself. Learn the basics. Understand basic concepts such as economics, market dynamics, and financial literacy. Risk management. Because stock market games are so short-term, they require greater risk-taking than real-life investing. 2. Invest strategically. Utilize play money. Recognize that you are investing virtual money for short-term gains as opposed to actual investments. Avoid cash hiding. 3. Identify opportunities. Volatility matters. Concentrate on equities with high volatility as they have a bigger possibility for quick gains or losses. 4. Act quickly. Time sensitivity. Respond quickly to market news and trends as stock prices can fluctuate swiftly. Avoid historical plays. The stock market is always changing, so don't rely entirely on past success to predict future gains. 5. Execution and portfolio management. Error-free trades. Ensure error-free trades. Double-check deals to avoid costly blunders caused by incorrect transactions. Diversity strategy. While variety is beneficial for long-term investments in a game, 6. Hold winners' profit maximization. Maximize profits by holding winning stocks until the end of the game to minimize transaction fees. Portfolio value. The total portfolio value comprises all assets, so hold on to winners to optimize returns. 7. Continuous learning. Reflect and adapt. Review your strategies regularly, learning from both successes and failures. Real versus game. Remember that although games are designed for rapid returns, real investing necessitates a more wise and long-term strategy. Discover the stock market simulator with funding. Move. Welcome to the world of stock market exploration. where knowledge and profit go hand in hand. As we go deeper into stock market methods, let's also look at how selecting the right platform, such as Funding Move, may help you succeed in your trading. Educational resources. Advanced learning tools. Funding Move offers an extensive range of educational resources for both new traders and experienced investors. Market insights. Use real-time market data, analysis, and expert insights to make better trading decisions. Specific training. Use specific training sessions and mentorship programs to improve your trading skills. Strategic partnerships. Strong regulatory backing. Funding Move, a UK-registered company with a strong license, complies with the highest regulatory compliance standards. Cutting-edge technology. Trading platform. Our straightforward and user-friendly interface, intended for best performance, allows you to trade seamlessly. Advanced tools. Use cutting-edge trading tools, algorithms, and risk management features to improve your trading strategy. Community and support. Trader community. Join the active trading community to exchange knowledge, tactics, and personal experiences. Reward and incentives. Attractive spreads and charges. Take advantage of affordable trading with transparent charge policies and competitive pricing structures. Reward schemes. Take part in promotions, incentives, and incentive schemes that enhance your trading experience. Creative trading options. Gaining entry into various markets. Trade a variety of asset classes, including cryptocurrency, equities, FX, and commodities. Tools for risk management. To safeguard your investments, make use of advanced risk management tools including position size and stop-loss orders. Selecting Funding Move as your trading partner opens up a world of potential supported by knowledge, technology, and a friendly community, in addition to giving you access to a dependable and secure platform. Join us on this exciting path to successful trading